All right, so this one asks you to find the limit as h approaches 0 of 5 over x plus h minus 5x all over h. And so the goal with these is always to get h to cancel. So I'm going to go through and just start simplifying, and then ultimately we should get something where this h cancels out of the denominator. So finding a common denominator for these two fractions right here, I can multiply this one by x plus h over x plus h, and then I can multiply this one over here by the other one's denominator, which is x. And that way I can say the limit as h approaches 0 of 5x over x plus h times x minus, now I'm going to go ahead and distribute right here. So minus 5x minus, remember this negative has to get distributed to both two, minus 5h all over h. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do, remember dividing by h is the same as multiplying by 1 over h. So I'm going to go ahead and do two things at once. I'm going to combine my like terms up here, and then I'm going to go ahead and turn this to multiplying by 1 over h and get that h in the denominator down here. So 5x minus 5x is 0, and then we have minus 5h over x plus h times x. And then I wish I had done that a little bit differently. I'll tell you what. No, I'm just going to leave it for now. All right, and then all of that is multiplied by h. I probably should distribute that x to avoid having the brackets there. All right, and then from here, we've got it so that the h can cancel. And we have an h in the numerator here, but it's along with that x, so it's not going to be a big deal if it's 0. So we have negative 5 over x plus h times x. And then, oops, I left off my limit. I'm not very good at holding the camera and writing. All right, so now we can think, well, what if h was 0? Well, that would be negative 5 over x squared.